2003 Ford Expedition 5.4. Doing a full tune-up on this bad boy today. Oh crap only. Get you some extensions, some wobblers. You need a 7mm, 8mm, 10mm. I recommend removing a couple hoses. Bam, bam. Taking a couple plates off. Right now I got the fuel line and injectors out. Clean the injectors already. About to take the coils and replace the spark plugs. Real simple. Show you real quick how to do it. 5 seconds. Ready? Okay. You're gonna take the fuel line off. One. Let me get the light on. Alright. Take your fuel line off.